This channel, I've already told you guys, we're gonna talk about how to create YouTube channels, how to monetize YouTube channels, and how to become a content creator in Papua New Guinea. This channel is purposely for all the Papua New Guineans and all the young generations who are coming up. Alright guys, I have to tell you guys, the fact is the Papua New Guinea, you guys are eligible to monetize the YouTube channel. And I'm gonna post one of my video that I have make. I have successfully received AdSense account, and also uh, I've successfully linked my YouTube channel on AdSense account. So whatever viewers are watching my videos, for example, if I reach more than 10 to 20,000 viewers on one video, or maybe 2,000 viewers or 3,000 viewers, there's some certain payments that are coming in. It can be daily, so daily can be $1.13 or $1.14 or something like that. Sometimes it can be $4 5. It depends on how many content that you're creating. So what I'm trying to say is, when becoming where if you want to earn more money, if you want to earn money on YouTube, make sure to create at least 30 to 35 videos per month. That's the advice that I can give you. So it's like, well, consistently uploading videos, consistently making more videos, and uploading more content. You're telling YouTube algorithm that you are interested in creating more contents. Yeah. Okay. When creating a YouTube channel, you have to plan. All right, guys. This is not a just easy thing that you're gonna create a YouTube channel and then start from there. No, you have to think, what are the niche, what are your favorite niche, what are your your content that are going to be based on. For example, if your content is based on the news, you're going to talk about news only, current updates, current happenings around Papua New Guinea. If you talk about education, you're going to talk about education only, how to teach students, how to solve education problems, how to solve problems, or how to learn ABC, how to learn 1 2 3. It's just the example when it comes to education. If you talk about uh, travels, and maybe vlogs and all those things, you'll be getting some live on that if you are talking about vlogs. All right. My encouragement is, guys, never give up. This is just a starting. Whatever that you're creating, whatever subscribers that you are seeing, maybe 2 to 3 to 5 or 6 subscribers in a week, and then you're just seeing the subscribers and you are just feeling like giving up, guys. I'm telling you, never give up. The person who gives up is a failure, let me tell you. And what I'm trying to say is, no one is failure. No one is failure. Never give up. Keep creating contents. Keep updating your channels. Keep posting on Facebook. Keep updating your friends on Facebook, telling them that please subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. I'm talking about these things. Please, and this is the link below. Click on the link. Tell them to subscribe, guys. Never give up. Giving up is not a good idea. What I'm trying to say is, never give up. Fight hard. Don't sleep, guys. Sometimes sleep 4 hours, maybe 3 hours at night. Sometimes we Papua New Guineans sleep too much. Let me tell you guys, don't sleep too much. Okay, focus on whatever thing that you are doing. Never give up. Focus on whatever goals that you are setting, ambitions that you are setting. Thank you so much, and this is PNG YouTube TokTok, like in Nukla.